Valuable fans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, masantos ya kabusan. Good morning. Welcome to Governor Ramon B. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup right here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. This match number 44 of Volleyball Women's Central Division to be played between your team, the Municipality of Manawag, and the Municipality of Santa Barbara. The national referees for this match, our first referee, Mr. Raymond Reyes. Our second referee, Mr. Jerry Palma.
Unang araw ng buwan ng Agosto at kayo po ay nakatutok sa ating Intertown Volleyball Conference Central Pangasinan. Live na live pa rin po tayo here sa Calasiao Sports Complex sa bayan kung saan matatakpuan, matitikman ang napakasarap na puto Calasiao. You are watching the match between Santa Barbara and Manawag. And this is set number 1, Javier serving. Naiangat. Calizo setting up. Jersey number 8, Bautista. Papunta. Of course, unang puntos para kay Zapatero. Yeah, malamig-lamig dito sa ating venue sa bayan ng Calasiao. Zapatero, what a serve. Almost a miscom. Babalik. Chance to attack. Bautista. Yes, of course. Nasa harap ang ating player of the game ng ilang beses para sa bayan ng Santa Barbara. At nasa likod ang isa pang player of the game ng ilang beses. Zapatero serving. Number 8. Nakuha ni Bautista. Aatake. Zaratan, binalikang bola. David setting up. Oh, that is too long for Ramos. That's a kind of out of system. It's Manawag's turn. It's in the hands of Dayap. Jersey number 1. Serving. Easy serve. To the middle. May tao. Dayap to Calizo. Sa likod. Picked up. Bautista. Long ball. To number 8. And that is too wide. She was underneath the ball. She tried to hit. Jersey number 8. That was Rojas. Short serve. Zaratan, pinitik. Picked up. Dalawa silang umaatake doon. Oh, but the third touch isn't in place for Manawag. We have a substitution. Jersey number 1 out, 14 in. It's number 2 on deck for Santa Barbara. Good serve. Calizo couldn't handle the first ball. Oh, but that still is converted to a point. Si Calizo ang lucky 9 ng Santa Barbara. The Caliwete opposite. Now Zaratan, the middle is on deck to serve. Oh, what a serve. Nakita niya. Rojas, ibabalik ang bola. But that is going to be a double contact violation. But the captain will try to contest that last call. And of course, and now our first referee explaining to Calizo why the call was double contact. And it sticks. Bibigay pa rin natin ang puntos para sa Santa Barbara. 5 serving to jersey number 20 serving. Good serve. Libero setting up. Rojas from the right pin. Nayangat. Lefty. Boy pa rin. Calizo. Pinitik. And when you drop a ball like that, you get a point. Nasa likod si Rojas. Serving. Oh, what a serve. Zulueta. Easy over. Middle. Liberos there. Bautista. Oh, miscom. Chance ball for Manawag. Javier. Too long. Now it's Bautista. Serving. Good serve. Receptions there. Javier. What an aim for Javier. Catching the line, the back zone. And actually, she had no blocker in place from that hit. Bautista nayangat. Setter to Zapatero, dug up. This is still alive, Kasaol. Naiba to sa tamang pwesto. Smart move coming from jersey number 15, Kasaol. The play continues. Calizo, jersey number 9, serving. Received. Oh, chance ball for Manawag. That was too close to the net. And that is too strong para kay jersey number 17, Carpizo. Calizo still serving. Good serve. Another chance ball for Manawag. Kasaol, one-on-one. To the open, Javier, pinitik. No, hindi naiangat masyado ni Carpizo ang pick up sa cover, sa drop na iyon. So, mapapatawag ng timeout ang Santa Barbara. 7-6 is your score in favor of Manawag. Now, that's what usually happens kapag nanggagaling sa timeout ang isang team. Sa larong ito ay Manawag is looking forward to getting its fourth win. Ang standing ng Manawag ay 3-3, samantalang ang Santa Barbara ay merong 5-1. And nasa pangatlong pwesto ang Santa Barbara so far sa ating elimination round dito sa Central Pangasinan Conference. Ngunit ang Mapandan, Manawag ay sinusubukan na makaakyat dito sa ating ladder board. Good serve. Perfect to the libero, to the setter. Chance. Javier. Nagawa ng paraan. Zapatero. Oh, it is a wall. Broken. Javier. Somebody's there to pick it up. Zapatero. Rojas setting up. Javier. Drop ball. Zapatero diving. Oh, but nag-agawan sina Bautista in jersey number 20 doon sa last ball na iyon. Javier serving. Zapatero, ayaw niya. Oh, but she finds a zone na walang tao. Smart, smart, smart. Eleven serving 9. Zapatero serving. Casaol. Bautista. Again! For the end time, na babasag lamang ng Santa Barbara attackers ang blockers mula sa Manawag. Kaya naman napatawag ng timeout ang ating coaching staff from Manawag. Tuloy-tuloy ang run na ginagawa ng Santa Barbara rito. Tingnan natin kung mababaliktad o magpapatigil sila ng Manawag. As I've said that, there's a reception error. So chance ball para sa Santa Barbara mula sa gitna. May tao. Sa pipe. That's too strong. On deck to service, jersey number 14, Viray. Good serve. Bautista. Ayaw niya yon. Chance force Manawag. Kaliso. Dug up. Bautista. Oh, that is too wide. Fourteen, still serving. Good serve, Zapatero, receiving it. Sa gitna. And that one's off the block. Ramos. From the pipe, Kasaol, Rojas, binalik. Sa gitna. Javier is there. Kaliso, too close. Buhay pa rin ang rally. Javier, set to the setter sa gitna. Zaratan is activated. Sa mga pagkakataong talagang nagkakagulo ang depensa ng kabila ay na-activate ang ating mga middle. Like this one. And there is a big donut hole para sa depensa ng Santa Barbara. At yun ang ginamit ni Kasaol para pumuntos. Zaratan still serving. Good serve. To the open. Lefty covered. From the pipe. Zapatero, wow, what a hit. Rojas. Dug up by Bautista. Oh, that is a miscommunication from the side of Santa Barbara. Number 17, Carpizo was approaching that ball pero nakaharang itong si jersey number 20. Oh, error for Zaratan. And of course, the coach is not happy. One good pass ang sabi ng ating coach dito para sa Manawag. That one's a good pass. Rojas from the right pin. Picked up. Bautista. Nandoon si Javier. Kasaol. Ouch. That is in. Oh, I mean, that is not Kasaol, that's Rojas. (15-14) lamang ng isang puntos ang Manawag. Liberos there to receive it. One hand. Chance to attack. Oh, Carpizo. She didn't like that set. Lamang ng 2 puntos ang Manawag. Rojas on deck. Good serve. Service ace. And that will prompt the coach of Santa Barbara to call a timeout. We're back in action. The server, Rojas, has been targeting that zone sa kanyang service, zone 6, straight to the libero, and that's been making ayan, giving Santa Barbara a hard time here. Oh, that hit from jersey number 17. Bautista naman sa likod. That means si Sabatero ay nasa harap. Viray setting up Javier. Zapatero's there. And she receives. Calizo picked up. Zapatero magbibigay ng chance ball sa gitna. Kasao layaw sa likod. Oh, the drop ball from Zapatero converts to a point. Bautista serving. Straight to the setter. Kasaol, of course. Kapag merong ganong kagandang receive from the side of Manawag, talaga namang nako-convert ito into a point. Now, Calizo is benched para bigyan ng pagkakataon si Tabelin to contribute for the team. She's in. Now that hit is outside. 2016. The biggest lead so far by a team in the set. Good serve. Reception is there. From the open, libero doing her job. Javier finds the cross court hit. Now, the advantage has ballooned to 5 points para sa Manawag. Tabelin. Good serve. Zapatero, mag-a-adjust. Viray setting up Kasaol. Left hand. Oh, good intention para kay Ramos na dalin sa likod ang bola, pero the execution was not perfect. So, 6 points for Manawag. Tabilin. And make it 7 points. Unti-unti nang nakararating ang Manawag sa kanilang set point. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Santa Barbara rito? Oh, wow. Now, we have arrived at set point for Team Manawag. 8 set points. Now, Santa Barbara has to play perfect volleyball here if they want to stay alive in this set. Tabilin, good serve. Bautista receiving that. And this is going to be a chance to finish for Manawag. Kasaul. Bautista's there. Another. And that is how you finish a set. Manawag up by 1 set. And we're back on action. Nakuha nga ng Manawag ang set number 1. Now you can see from the face of the players of Santa Barbara, they are game face mode. But mukhang nagkakagulo sila sa kanilang rotation in the set. But the play has to go on. Javier mula sa likod. Sa gitna. Blocked. Carpizo. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Chance ball for Santa Barbara. Kanino? Sa gitna. Zaratan is there. Oh, somebody from the side of Santa Barbara touched the net. Nagkagulo ang dalawang kupunan doon. Manawag ball. Good serve. Oh, napakahirap nun. Carpizo. Javier is there. Rojas. Oh, but Rojas apparently, Reyes crossed to the other side. Jersey number 20, serving. Nagkakagulo nga po ang Santa Barbara dito sa nagkakagulo nga ang Santa Barbara sa kanilang rotation dito sa set number 2. Kaya naman ay hinihintay muna natin sila na ma-figure out ang kanilang rotation. Now the permission to serve has been granted to Zaratan. No call. Zapatero, dug up by Zaratan, but the ball flies away. Point for Santa Barbara. Bautista on deck. Good serve. Javier receives it. Kasaol. Zapatero naman. Libero picking it up. Reyes. Javier deciding. Oh. Second touch is not in place for Manawag. Kaya naman puntos para sa Santa Barbara. Bautista still serving. Setting up. Calizo. Oh, not the strongest of hits, but it's a point. A point is a point. Is a point. Reyes. Good serve. Oh, wow. That's an ace. Talagang kitang-kita natin dito kung paanong nagkakagulo ang mga manlalaro ng Santa Barbara. Nagkakagulo. Nako, so, syempre sasamantalahin ito ng Manawag kapag may ganitong pagkakataon na nagkakagulo. Libero, receiving it. Zapatero channels her energy there. Miss set. Chance ball for Manawag. Carpizo from the right pin. That's once off the block for Carpizo. Strong attack coming from her. And it's her who is serving. And she gets an ace. Ngayon ay lalamang naman ang Santa Barbara rito. Carpizo still on deck. Sharp! And with a little help from the net. Momentum on the side of Santa Barbara. Another beautiful serve, but that sails out. Sa likod si Calizo. Good serve. Picked up by Bautista. Zapatero. Ihulog ang bola. Chance for Javier to attack. Pinagulong. Ramos setting up Carpizo. Ayaw niya yon. Nasa likod siya. Javier. To Zapatero. Casaol picking that up. And Tibayan just knows what to do. She just knows what to do. David is back. Zapatero serving. Okay, chance ball. Bautista saving this. Buhay ang bola. Casaol. Okay, coverage by Ramos. Good save, Javier. Tough angle. Ramos. And that pitik. That tip from jersey number 20 scores a point. That's David. Lalamang ng tatlo ang Santa Barbara. Zapatero, what a sharp serve. Casaol. Beautiful attack from Casaol mula sa gitna. She's been scoring well from her post. Now she's on deck. Carpizo, perfect reception. Becomes a point for David for Team Santa Barbara. Tibayan serving. Oh, napalakas. Babawasan ng advantage para sa Santa Barbara after that. Bautista. Chance for Manawag. Dug up. Too close. Nagawa ng paraan. Oh, too close. Buhay pa rin. David, covered. Bautista. That off-speed attack, not gonna work for Santa Barbara. And number 20, Javier, on deck to serve. Beautiful serve. David from the right pin. Becomes a point. Yes, and this is the third match for today. Kanina sa first match nga ay nagharap ang Kalasyaw at isa pang koponan. David saving this. Ramos sa likod, nandun ang libero. Ibibigay sa right pin, chance to attack. David. Yes. From the pipe, Calizo absorbing that. Reyes. Oh, what a good judgment by Zapatero not to get that ball because he was actually sailing out. Nabawi nga ng Santa Barbara ang momentum dito sa set number 2. So kanina, naglaro ang Kalasyaw at ang San Fabian and nakuha nga ng Kalasyaw ang kanilang win today while sa second game ay naglaro ang Lawak at Bayambang kung saan patuloy pa rin na undefeated ang Bayambang dito sa ating conference. Ngayon ay naglalaro ang Santa Barbara at Manawag. Tuloy-tuloy nga ang pagdurugo ng Manawag dito sa set number 2. Good serve. Zaratan shifts the momentum to their side. Serving. Number 14. Good serve. Zapatero mula sa likod. Liberos there. Javier from the pipe. And that is another long ball. Attack error para kay Javier. David on deck. Short serve. And this is a free ball for Santa Barbara. Carpizo picked up by Javier. Hulog. Zapatero naman. And the libero couldn't handle that. David serving. First ball, problematic. Chance ball para sa Santa Barbara. Carpizo, the swing. Everyone from the side of Santa Barbara is happy about what's happening here. Sila naman ngayon ang lalamang ng malaki. 8 points. Calizo. Boy ang bola. Zapatero! That one's off the block. Napakalakas nitong si Zapatero. David. So she gives away a point para sa Manawag. Zaratan on deck to serve. Reception isn't there. Carpizo swings. De La Cruz. Nalunod. Bautista. Good serve. Problematic first ball becomes a chance ball. Ano ang gagawin? But Debayan was not ready for that set. Was not ready for that big quick. Jersey number 8. Reyes. Great serve. Zapatero. Handled. Javier. Pinagulong ang bola. But Tibayan touched the net. Reyes still serving. Carpizo receiving that. Tibayan. Oh. She yet again committed another error. Reyes continues to serve. She gives a good one. Zapatero. Reyes saying outside, pero the libero insisting na that's going to sail in. Oh, steady serve. Now, Javier has just announced her presence here in the second set. Now we have a sub, Tabelon, checking in for Calizo. Sharp serve. Zapatero. Delayed by the block. Javier. Nakuha ni Carpizo. Zapatero. Mababa. Now the lead is cut down to 5 points. Tabelon. To the middle, Tibayan. Using her left hand. Ginamit niya ang kamay ni Kasaol nung nakita niya sa ere. Swiping that ball. Zapatero, good serve. Javier saving it, but no one's coming for the third ball. Malapit ang palapit ang Santa Barbara to tie this match. Zapatero. Good serve. Javier. Na unahan ni Tibayan. And now, Igtos checks in for Casaol. Igtos. Oh, sharp. Well, that's what she was asked to do. Kaya naman ay pipigilan siya ni Santa Barbara na magpatuloy sa kanyang ginagawang iyon. That is Team Santa Barbara on your screen. Lamang po sila ng 5 puntos. And they're back. Igtos, service specialist. Another good serve. And she's doing her job. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. And now that one does not pass through the net. 23-18. Tibayan serving. Good judgment for the players of Manawag. 19-23, hindi pa ito tapos. Javier. And Zapatero couldn't handle that properly. The lead is now cut down to 3. Javier. Carpizo receiving it. David. Libero's there. Oh, but we have a double. Oh, no. Somebody has penetrated. So, nasa set point na ang Santa Barbara. Pero sabi ni Zaratan, hindi pa to tapos. One set point saved. And Calizo is back in the action. It's in the hands of jersey number 14. David, blocked. Mamimigay ng chance ball ang Santa Barbara. Kanino? Calizo didn't want that set. Masyadong lumabas ang set na iyon. So we are heading to a third set. And we're back. Welcome to the third set of this match between Santa Barbara and Manawag. First service, jersey number 2. Good serve to the open. Reyes covered. Another attempt. Easy over. David. Bang! Zaratan replying. David. Oh, that's not over. 4 touches for Santa Barbara. Good serve. David sa right pin. She covers herself. Zaratan patiently waited. Reyes. Andon si Zapatero. Carpizo adjusting mid-air. And it works for David Carpizo. Dropping that ball. David serving. Good serve. Calizo. Setting up Reyes. Good. Carpizo. Oh, everyone was watching the high ball to land. Walang may gustong kumuha ng high ball na yon. Point for Santa Barbara. Good serve. Calizo. Chance. Oh, well, there's a miscommunication on the side of Manawag. Of Santa Barbara, rather. Maaga pa. Zaratan serving. Oh, well, that's an error. Bautista naman ang magsaserve. Oh. And siya naman ang mamimigay ng puntos para sa Manawag. Reyes serving. Good serve. Tatakbo ang setter. Carpizo. Oh. Mukhang nahihirapan ng libero ng Manawag na maiangat ang bola. Carpizo. Sharp serve. And Zapatero knows how to handle mga regalong katulad nun. And we are at 6-3. Timeout by Manawag.